Hello and welcome back to Improved You. In today's video, we will be going over how to subconsciously attract women with 6 easy tricks. We will go over what makes you attractive, what you can do to stand out from the crowd, and finally, these 6 easy must-know tricks. Just so you know, we also have some other self-improvement videos on our channel that you should definitely check out if these sorts of videos are your cup of tea. Now, without further ado, let's start the video. What makes a man attractive? Things like style, hygiene, physique, personality, wealth, etc. are some of the many things that make us, as men, attractive. The good thing about this is that you can change them to fit your style, and some of these habits are relatively easy to begin changing. For instance, it's easier to start working out and showering every day than to acquire a high-position job or a sports car. It's better to start from the ground up and figure out what is the habit you need to start changing immediately. Other factors that make us attractive have to do with our genes, but sadly, we have no control over how we are going to look like before we're born, and we can't choose what we want to look like when we're adults. Things such as height, eye color, hair color, body type, etc. are things that we can't control, but we can make it our strengths. Let's say you have all the qualities that make you a perfect man, but if you have no personality, you might as well not have anything at all. What can you do to stand out from the crowd? If we're looking for a potential partner, be it in a party or a busy cafe, one of our main goals is to stand out so that particular person can see you and single you out. Some of the things you can do are as follows. Number 1. Be confident. When you have self-confidence, you can do anything that you put your mind to. It also shows that you are not afraid of any possible outcome, be it good or bad. The way you carry yourself really makes you stand out. Number 2. Try to be helpful. What we mean by this is that if you genuinely help someone, people will notice that action, especially women. They will see that you are a person with an attitude of service, which in turn demonstrates that you have empathy. Empathy can go a long way when you are meeting someone new. Too many men demonstrate arrogance, which makes them look bad. Number 3. Stop calling attention to yourself. This is a surefire way to stand out. You may think that to stand out, you have to be the loudest or the brightest in the room, but you would be wrong. This piece of advice sounds a bit ironic, but too many men make the mistake of trying to make themselves look important, but they only end up looking like show-offs. This doesn't mean that you should go to a corner and stay there, but it means that if you demonstrate that you don't need the attention, attention will be given to you. Number 4. Be kind to everyone. Lots of people are only nice to those who can do something for them, especially when it comes to waiters or bartenders. Stand out by treating everyone equally, and even those who aren't workers. This also shows empathy on your part and that you can be nice and patient. Number 5. Be prepared. You never know where the night might end up. Always be prepared for anything, and you just might catch someone's eye. If you start to demonstrate uneasiness when talking to a woman, they can tell that you are either uncomfortable or are not ready to establish any type of relationship. But before we go any further, we'd like to ask you, are you enjoying the video? If your answer is yes, click on the like, subscribe, and notification bell icons so you never miss an upload. Anyway, back to the video. Now that we have established some of the ground rules, we are ready to look at these 6 easy tricks that will attract women in a subliminal way. These tricks are easier than you think, so here they are. Number 1. Groom yourself in front of her. When you begin to attract someone, you will either start to walk towards them or they will walk to you. While this is happening, even if you look perfect, run your hand through your hair or fix your collar. These subtle actions will let her know that you are interested in her and that you are trying your best to look good for her. Don't overdo it or she will probably walk straight past you. Number 2. Touch or lick your lips. This subtle tip can be a real game changer when you are talking to her. Quickly and softly touch or lick your lips. This will bring attention to your mouth, and if she starts looking at your mouth more than your face, she's probably going to kiss you or will insinuate it. As stated before, don't do it so often or she might think you have some sort of tic. Number 3. Look her in the eyes. When speaking to someone, we usually look them in the eyes to communicate respect and validation. When you are speaking to a woman, looking her in the eye can demonstrate interest, and you can tell if she feels the same way. This demonstrates confidence on your part. Just don't stare at her. Number 4. Dress to impress. It shouldn't come as a surprise that women are attracted to well-dressed men. This doesn't mean that you're going to have to wear your suit all the time, but it does mean that you should be properly dressed for the occasion. Don't underdress and don't overdress. A nice clean iron shirt and well-fitted jeans can do wonders for your appearance and confidence. Also, spit-clean shoes really tell you a lot about someone. Number 5. Wear a striking cologne or perfume. Your hygiene plays an essential part, but you don't want to just smell like soap and laundry detergent. Find yourself the scent that fits you well. A good cologne can come a long way when meeting someone, and if that person bumps into you, they will automatically recognize you from your smell. Number 6. Use open body language. When you start a conversation, we usually look for signs that will make us feel welcome. When speaking to a woman, make sure to be as open and inviting as possible. She may be alert at first because you are a stranger after all, but later on she will start to feel comfortable and will open up to you. Don't clench your fists, don't keep your hands in your pockets, and don't cross your arms. These small gestures may give off an unfriendly vibe and will probably make her uncomfortable. Well, that's all the time we have for today. We hope you made it to the end and enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below and tell us what you think. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Until next time.